that dose. Don't talk to me, just talk to my little dose. To these LA dose. Meet me in the LA with the troops. I got red shooters, I got blue. Hey. But alright, what is up YouTube? It is your boy Josh to go back at y'all with another YouTube video. And I have been gone for a long time and I really don't have an excuse. I guess because with finals, nah, I'm not even gonna give y'all an excuse. I guess I've been lazy, but I'm back for the summer. And as you guys see for the title, today we're gonna be distressing some jeans for the summer. You know, you don't want to wear tight skinny jeans and you're gonna be like hot sweating, because you know, you ever like wear some jeans and they tight and then your butt starts sweating? Like, that's annoying. Like when your booty start getting wet, that's very annoying. But anyways, today on the video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to distress some jeans. But right here I got some H&M skinny biker jeans that I caught for like, I think they was like $35 back then. I almost got these like a year ago. And I don't wear them anymore because like they're just too thick and I know I'm gonna get hot because I always sweat in these a lot. So I mean, I always wanted some ripped up biker jeans and I don't have any. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create these jeans, a DIY. You can do it on your own with easy materials to access, cheap materials, so you can make these jeans at home easily. So let's just get right into it. I'm finna show you guys the materials we'll be using to create these jeans. I might add bleach, you know, to add like an effect, but mostly we will just be distressing these jeans. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, of course, is try on your jeans. And why you want to try on your jeans is so you can mark the areas where you want to put rips at. And preferably you want to mark where your knee's at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try on these jeans and I'm going to put a pin mark where my knee is so I can make that cut and like make that slit. You want to go across your knee with the pin and then you want to swipe right there with your scissors or your X-Acto knife, which either one you like prefer. But this process helps you to get the most accurate distressing so it won't be all over the place.
Pop that back and roll them hips. I pop my jaw and I roll my split. If it's my birthday, then you're a gift. Whoa, whoa, redo that shit. I like that. You would show me love if I was light skinned, but I got deep pockets like a white man, and that sparks your interest. At me and ain't talking about a mention. You working that pole, don't stop, you got some more booty to go. When it gets out of hand, I call booty control. You got me so high, but we down on the low. We on the bed, now we on the floor. After we fuck you, be ready to roll. No feelings attached, that's not how we go. I can't hold you down, cause you on the floor.
Okay, so after you mark your jeans, now what you want to do is basically you want to get your materials, get your X-Acto knife and get your scissors, and you want to start distressing in that area. And after that, we're going to move to like the detail parts on like the waistline. You want to stress the waistliner, you know, distress up by the thigh, but you don't want to cut your pockets. You don't want to cut your pockets. So like we're going to do some distressing by the thigh, distressing by the waistliner. But for this tutorial, I'm just showing you guys how to distress your jeans on the mark that I made. So I'm only gonna be like recording this part. And I mean, I might record a little bit B-roll footage of me like distressing the waistliner and all that, but just the simple part of distressing jeans, I'm just gonna show you guys that part. And we're gonna get to the further instructions after I show you guys how to use the X-Acto knife and scissors on your denim. All right, so guys, now that we have the jeans laid out, you wanna put something like kinda hard over it. Not over it, but you want to put something kind of like hard under it. I mean, I'm just using like a little driving pamphlet that I don't, you know, I didn't use. I still want to test though. But anyways, you probably want to put like a little, if you have like a little magazine or like any cardboard, you want to slide it under your jeans like this. So, dang, I'm struggling. Dang, I probably need to fold it. Yeah, I'm going to need to fold it. Okay, so once you have the magazine in here, you see it feels kind of hard, feels kind of stiff. So now you have like room to cut without the jeans like shimmering around. So once you got it in there, you want to choose between your X-Acto knife or your scissors to start cutting on your red line. But for me, how I start, I get an X-Acto knife and I just scrape on that red line until it eventually opens up. And once it opens up, then I go ahead and break it in with my scissors, like so. So right now I'm cutting it open with the X-Acto knife. As you guys can see, the hole is getting bigger. Once the hole gets big enough for the scissors to fit through, you just want to cut straight across. So you'll have a clean line, straight across on that red line. And you see, here goes the hole right here that we just made. And as you see, the magazine is right under it. But you want to cut as far as you think is good enough for you. So I'm just gonna cut probably into like the end, cause I like my knees kind of blowed out. Like I'm gonna make one knee pretty big and then one just like a regular blowing out size. Sometimes you can just pull it open and it'll rip apart, but like this, but sometimes it'll be uneven. I mean, I did that before and I messed up my jeans, so I'm not gonna do it for this video, but sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. So once you have your line straight across, I mean, mine isn't directly straight, but hey, it's distressing, so. But once you have your jeans straight across, what you wanna do is go across your line with your X-Acto knife and kind of scrape against it so the distressing will come out like this. So you just want to go straight across on the line so it'll get like fuzzy and get kind of like, you know, messed up. Basically the word, distress. Like you just want to distress it, make it look, you know, kind of dirty, like get in there. As you see, it's starting to look better. Like it's starting to look good without even putting it in the washing machine. So you just want, it's like you're like pulling on the hairs of the jeans. So you just want to scrape against it, keep scraping until you get that like rusty, you know, filthy look. But after you finish with this process, what you want to do is throw your jeans in the washing machine and you want to put it on light wash. And of course you can still dry them, but when you're distressing jeans, I prefer you don't put them in the dryer. I prefer you let them air dry after you distress it, because the dryer, it'll get all the lint like wrapped around. So after you finish distressing your jeans like this, as you guys see, this looks pretty good for a knee blowout. Again, it looks too simple. So what you want to do, you want to add like little details. We're going to add like another like rip right here. It's not going to be big, but it's going to be like a mini rip. So I'm going to go ahead and just put like a little slit right here. As you guys see, it's a slit right here. So I have a slit right here, and I'm probably gonna put one up top above towards the left. And as you guys see, it doesn't make the distressing look so basic. You see, like it gives it like a little effect, like your jeans, like you bought them really out the store. And you want to do the same procedure for these little rips. You want to like pull the hairs, scrape on the outside with the X-Acto knife. And if you want these little holes, like these little details to be bigger, you want to get your knife, I mean not your knife, you want to get your scissors. You just want to go in. You want to go straight across like this to make them bigger. You want to cut straight across. And then you want to do the same procedure with the X-Acto knife.
Women that I know.
Hey.
Can't go
50 with no hoe. Alright guys, so after you finish distressing your jeans, the next step is to throw them in the washing machine on a light wash. So that's what we're about to do. I'm still deciding if I want to put bleach on the jeans or not, because bleach, it does give it that lighter effect. So the next step is to throw them in the washing machine. After you throw them in the washing machine, you want to let them air dry. And after that, your jeans are finished. So I'm finna throw the jeans in the washing machine. I did distress the jeans a little bit more around the waistline. I got some like around the ankle and stuff. So after I throw the jeans in the washing machine, I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. You guys will see how they look on me. And I hope you guys learn from this tutorial. And I hope I made sense throughout the video, because you know, sometimes I think I'm kind of bad at teaching people, but I hope I taught you guys very well in this video. So if you still need help, please ask me questions in the comment section below. And please give this video a like and please subscribe. And yeah, we're just gonna throw these in the washing machine. You guys will see the finished product. It's your boy Josh the Goat. Thanks for watching.
Dance for me. Dance for me. that back and roll them hips. I pop my jaw and I roll my split. If it's my birthday, then you're a gift. Whoa, whoa, redo that shit. I like that. You would show me love if I was light skinned, but I got deep pockets like a white man, and that sparks your interest. At me and ain't talking about a mention. You working that pole, don't stop, you got some more booty to go. When it gets out of hand, I call booty control. You got me so high, but we down on the low. We on the bed, now we on the floor. After we fuck, you be ready to roll. No feelings attached, that's not how we go. I can't hold you down, cause you on the floor.